Welcome back. Tonight is a dinner night / clubbing. Okay, this is my outfit for tonight. I didn't get a chance to get a video of my baby outfit, but look how beautiful she looks. Damn. To get a rose. Got her a rose to, match with her dress. Oh, look at her. She's, yeah. Don't need to say anymore.
You gonna walk past
this is me, trying to tell her, walk. Walk with her, bit confident, because you look really, really confident, but then look at her, natural star. Okay, so now, the cab is downstairs waiting on us. So we're gonna head to the restaurant. Not sure of the name of the restaurant, but I will show it in the video. Yeah. Okay, this is me, stepping through. Yeah, so we're on the way to the restaurant now. So, stay tuned. Yeah, so we're almost at the restaurant. Should be arriving any minute now. Okay, here we are. We're at the restaurant. It was a nice restaurant. I love the scenery. From you enter the restaurant, going up the stairs, everything just looked good. I'm a foodie. I'm a guy that loves food, especially seafood. So, I've been to a lot of restaurants, but this was good. I like this restaurant. Really, really good. We ended up getting a table out on the balcony, because for a change, normally when you go to a restaurant, you're like inside, so just thought we get our own little section out on the balcony. This is us saying toast to Panama, toast to the future. More guidance, more protection, more blessings. These was like, I think this was like some beef patty thing. I'm not sure, but this is hilarious. Look at her face. This is like, it's made out of like dry olive and some other things. It tastes like dirt, like literally eating dirt. Like, I told her, she didn't believe me. But look at her face. Ooh, this look nice, right? But then I was like, yo, this looks nice. But then I was like, yo, why is the seafood moving? Like, I was like, yo, why is the seafood moving? It was actually the veg moving. Look at her, she's laughing at me. Where's the wind blowing the veg? Yeah, I had some salmon and mashed potato. Yo, that was nice, like super, super nice. Like, they even fried the skin of the salmon. Like, it's the first time I've had that, and that was nice. Yeah, that was 10/10. Really enjoyed it. Yeah, so this is us, having dinner, experimenting, trying each other's food and stuff. So I'm gonna give you guys an insight, make you guys listen to our conversation for a bit before I speak again. So enjoy.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
That mash is full of butter.
Your tummy's gonna hate you.
It says couscous on the side.
Kinda like couscous.
Oh my god.
Good or not good?
This is nice. You're gonna love this. I can't eat too much of it. It's got too much pineapple in it. Taste that. Trust me, this tastes like a pizza. And it's not even a pizza. You gotta scoop it. Go on.
I'm holding it with cheese.
It's like eating a pizza.
But it's like eating a pizza.
Isn't it? But it's not a pizza. Fire.
Yeah, so that was me, describing that thing that I had. But yo, this restaurant was really good, you know, like I'm telling you, it was 10/10. Like they had a button outside that you can press anytime you need something and they come straight away. They had, you know, really good dessert. Like I had this pistachio cheesecake. That was 10/10. Yo, that was really nice. But yeah, so now this is us taking a walk through the town. We met this guy called Felix. You know, yeah, he's gonna show us around, you know, give us a little bit of history and stuff. So I'm gonna make you guys listen to the history and then I'll get back to you guys.
Mr. Illuminati, he brought us his bank from Manhattan in October 1903 and the dollar to this new country, his first offshore safe haven for himself, his ultra-rich friends, and Wall Street. First offshore safe haven. And at the end, this guy ended up buying Tesla's patents, tore them up, and that's why we have the type of electricity we have. So in October, the Americans...
Sorry, by the way. Yeah, just to let you guys know, we're heading to the club. Okay, we're at the club now. Yeah, so we found this club. So basically, let me give you guys a rundown. So, yeah, Felix was showing us a few clubs, but you know, we were standing outside this club, then we heard some dancehall music. So it was like, yeah, this is the club that we belong. So we just entered this club. It's a small club, not a lot of people is in there, but you know, it's not about the people, it's about us. So, you know, we had our own little vibes, you know, had our little tequila shots and that. Well, probably had way too much tequila shots, but, you know, yeah, it was really good. Really enjoyed that night. It was great. So we're in the club. So I'm just gonna let you guys, you know, listen to a bit of the music and you know, enjoy a bit of the vibes that we experienced that night. And yeah. So we were in the club for like an hour and a half, and got really drunk. Well, not drunk, but we got nice, lit. For the older people that's watching, yeah, we was tipsy. But yeah, we had a great time. But we decided it's time to go home, so time to pay the bill and head back to the hotel. My favorite part about the hotel overall is the view. Just before going to sleep, I always go out on the balcony and take a look. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.